Hey y'all, welcome back to another video. To my OG subscribers, welcome back. If you're new here, my name is Shivy. Welcome. Please remember to hit that subscribe button, leave a comment, and also leave a like on this video. We are doing a Temu and Tory Burch unboxing, as you can see in the title. I have been shopping over Temu for the last couple of weeks, and I've been getting a lot of good products so far. So I've recently got this blanket. It is so soft and it's very breathable, and I paid only $25. And it also comes with 2 pillowcases. It also comes in different colors, like brown or gray and white or something of that sort. But if you go on Temu, you just type in blankets and you will see different types and color. You can just do what you want. And I also got this sweat lounge type of pants. I did an unboxing on it like a month ago, and it's super comfortable, super comfortable. I guess that's why I keep going back because they haven't disappointed me so far. So we're going to jump into the unbagging. So the first item is a flip-flop. Yes, it's pink with a pink bow. It's super cute. Yes, my foot them small. My foot is small. This is like, I think this is a size 6. If not 6, it's 5.5. So yeah, my foot's small. But it's super cute, and yes, it's pink. And is pink my favorite color? No, but it's pink. So the second item, because we're doing this fast, this is a bed slippers. But I know, but for some reason I feel like I change bed slippers so often. I don't know. I don't know if my heavy or what, but by the time I look, it walk down. I don't understand. So I don't know. Maybe them just not make the bed slippers them thick enough. Like, am I the only one that have that problem? They're not making the bed slippers as thick as they used to. So as I wear them like a couple of weeks, the back starts sink. Am I the only one have issues with that? Like the back starts sink, and I'm like, what's going on? Yeah, so these are the sandals, and they are super duper cute. So let's jump into the next item. This is giving a Victoria's Secret. This is giving a Victoria's Secret. The stripe is definitely giving Victoria's Secret. The stripes are dope. So it's a nightwear. So it's a long sleeve. This is a glasses holder. My glasses girly, and I don't have anything to put my glasses in. Like, I don't have a holder, because normally I just put them on the dresser or my side table, anywhere I find. I normally just put it down. So I decided to get these. No. I decided to get these so I can just stick the glasses down in there just like that. Hold on, let me go for the glasses. Yes, so these are the glasses, my go-to. And yeah, fits perfect. So this is a cute must-have if you wear glasses overall. So they have them in other colors. I think they have it in black, so you can get it in black and pink or white. I don't remember. It's been a couple of weeks now since I did this purchase. And I also bought some t-shirts. So let's see the quality. If there's, okay, the first one. What size is this? This is huge, man. Hold up, wait a minute. This huge. Look. But this huge, man. Can't fit in this. I can't fit in this. This is huge. Maybe I can wear it on my bed or something. But it's huge. Alright. It's a Hello Kitty. Alright, so the second one, the quality is good. Alright. Second one. Why are they so 2XL? I didn't order 2XL. Like what? These people are sending me wrong order. I wear a medium. Why is this so big? Like what the hell? The quality is good, but this is not my size. Like what? This is not. This is a small. Why the small so big? Temu, get it together. Why the small so big? Lord of His mercy. I also got some from my mom, so hopefully these are not disappointing. Cause what? The quality is good, but the sizing something off. I don't know what I'm going with the sizing. But let's get into something that I will make me smile. So we're going to do the unboxing for the Tory Burch. Alright, Tory Burch never disappoint me yet at the end of my life. So let's go. This place never disappoint me a day in my life. So that's inside. And there's a note saying thanks for shopping and all of that. And yeah, this is my bad boy. Thanks for shopping. Thanks for being a part of our community. Yeah. I got always shop with you because we have good products and we never disappoint me. So you're welcome. You're most welcome. Who can tell what this is? This is definitely a card wallet. I want this wallet for the longest while. The longest of longest while. Yes. So this is the beautiful card wallet. Everybody and their mother and their grandmother know I love Tory Burch so much, and the card wallet that I've been using for ages is my Coach card wallet, and it's like a off-white. It's chalk, because anytime I touch it or anything, it easily get dirty. So this black one, I need to get this for the longest while. And yeah, finally. So it have 2 pockets at the back, 2 at the front, and 1 at the top. Yeah, so this can't get dirty. Like, all I need to do, I just wipe it off and it bounce back. Like, for real. Alright, so let me go for my bag and show you that, girl, they are going to twin. Yes, so this is the black Tory Burch bag, and this is the card wallet. So they're going together nicely. They're twinning. And this is the beat up card wallet. So it's off-white. Look. So as anything touch it, it easily gets scratched. See, so it beat up and it do it time and it's still bad. So I can rest this right now, and I'm gonna just, as the video done, I'm gonna just remove everything from it and put it in the, you know, the new hair. So yeah, the two of them are gonna twin now. Twin. No, for real though. So I'm super excited that I finally decided to buy the wallet, and it's gonna go cute. It go cute with it. It got cute with it, for real. Like, it looks really good together. Like, look at them. Yeah, so I'm super excited. And yeah, this is it. This is the unboxing. And I will see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching as always. Bye.